Screen's just black.
What's that?
Screen's just black.
You can take the.
Oh,
you got it?
sure.
Why didn't my lady call me?
Yeah, I would call. Well, it's showing. It's showing it's still transferring. It says processing 55.
You don't have to call. She clicks the button.
Well, you know what it is. It's probably still in processing.
All right, see you guys later. Wait, where's the title at?
What you mean to ask is where's the gas station? Fill up.
Oh,
Your gas
yeah.
mileage is going to
That's
be
all right.
How do you know that?
It's a performance car. I mean, we drove it once to Southern Virginia racetrack. How many miles was that? About 400?
I thought you said you just raced it.
We went to the racetrack. We went to watch the cars.
Yeah. I got to see.
That's scary.
When you did that ride, he's talking about all these parts and he switched turbos, and it's like, dude.
No, like I
car's
said,
been
we've never taken it to the track. We wanted to for years. Like I was doing my STIs and stuff. She went to the track on my STI and she's like, Dad, she's like, I really want to take the Supra. And then I was like, this, that, and everything else. And then we finally got all of it done years later. She's like,
I just couldn't see myself driving it because, you know, whenever I took his STI out on the track, like
she didn't give a shit about the STI.
I didn't give a crap about the STI,
Those
so,
are good
you know,
cars.
whenever I was going around corners and stuff, I was like, oh, fuck it, I'll wait till the absolute last second and then slam on the brake and then go, you know, kind of thing. And I was like, I can't do that to the Supra. I can't.
Well, I appreciate hearing you say that.
No, like I said, I was like when you were asking me. I mean, she's more sentimental with the car, especially this car. I really don't care. I've gone through so many cars. I've had so many cars. I was a Nissan. I mean, the only thing is I'm a Nissan guy. I had a whole bunch of 240 SXs. I have a 300 now. You know, I was eyeing a 370.
You guys know each other? That sounds like...
I love Datsuns. I wanted Datsun so bad. You want to talk about an expensive car? I was looking at a Datsun. The firewall was, a big chunk was rusted out, and they still wanted $4,000. It didn't run. It was just it was an old ass 76 big ass chunk out of the firewall. And 4,000 is max, the minimum I'll take. I was like,
First trip my dad and I went on was to get a 240 SX.
yeah.
Because that was the drift car.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we flew into Fremont, Indiana.
Ohio somewhere. I couldn't find the airport. Just a little.
But the cool thing about it is it was a graveyard, so there was a bunch of jets and planes that were just sitting there.
Oh, cool.
So we got to walk around and check that out.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, I graduated in 2001.
that's my sister.
Yeah.
Oh, one.
Let me go get your paperwork ready. Sign you out of here.
Yeah.
It's still processing though, right?
Well, that's
I'm
what
not-
I'm
I'm
calling
not
it.
signing. I do work.
Yeah, she's in government contracting, but she can't tell you what.
Wonder Woman, but you can't tell anybody.
That's that world, man. It's ridiculous.
Oh man, I can't wait to go home.
You got to figure out what's his.
Luis.
It's Luis. Luis might help you find the best way out of here too, because it sounds like he travels north and south.
Well,
You got to get to 81 and 81 north to something, and then take 70.
Yeah, if you're gonna do 81, yeah, I'll tell you in a second.
you want to go get Messick's?
No, you guys can just go. I'll head home.
You got to be hungry, man. You don't need to be flying 3 hours out of here.
Think I'll lock up.
No, I think you'll get pissed, and then I don't know what's going to happen after that.
Banzai!
Actually, he'll probably be a lot more relaxed because you and me won't be in the
I mean, I
the
thought
plane saying stuff. While
I thought I was pretty quiet.
All Cody says is, "Can you turn the heat up?" We fly through the clouds. Man, this is awesome.
I didn't want to distract him or anything. You guys, he seemed pretty focused. And I fell asleep when it got pretty smooth out.
I hope so.
The wire transfer. Going Louise.
Oh yeah,
He probably got soft.
this thing, that clutch bites so hard.